Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to scatter objects in Blender using geometry nodes. So first of all, let's delete everything. Let's add a plane, let's scale it up and go to the geometry node tab. Close this. Quick tip, if you want to close it, sometimes this happens and you open a new one. Instead of going into the middle, just go to the left or the right of it, then it's going to close it instead of making a new one. Okay, so click on new, then it's going to add the nodes. Shift A, point, distribute points on faces. You can already do like cool stuff with this if you want. Shift A, join geometry. Take the geometry node of the group input, plug it into the geometry node of the join geometry. Shift A again, instances, 2 points. I'm lying, instances on points, like this. Then there's nothing, but that's fine. It needs to look like this because we still need to add the object when we want to scatter onto the plane. Make it, what did I just do? Make a new collection and let's add a cube, scale it down. Now this can be anything because that's what's going to be scattered onto the plane. And as you can see, the geometry node is gone. So just click on the thing that had the geometry nodes and click on this pin. Then if you go into another object, it's still going to show. So now take the cube, drag and drop it into the nodes. Take the geometry node and plug it into the instance of the instances on points. As you can see, it doesn't look right at all, but we can fix that real quick. Select the cube, Control A, scale, select the plane, Control A, scale. There you go. That's how you scatter. Now I'm going to show you guys a couple of things you can do to make this look better. But if you just wanted to know how to scatter something, then you can click off this video. But I'm really quickly going to make this look better. So as you can see, everything is intersecting with each other. And if you don't want that, go to the distribute points on faces, change this thing that says random to that word, whatever that is. Go to the distance minimum. And if you change this, as you can see, it doesn't intersect with each other anymore. So that's very helpful. Also, if you don't want to come here to change the density, take the density node, plug it into the group input. Then if you go to the right, it's going to show here. This is also helpful. And let's say you're working on a big project or a very small project or a very big project. You have to like input a really big number into here and you don't want to do it like that, or you don't want to like do this for like 10 minutes. You can add a math node. So let's add a math node and then plug it between the density max things, make it multiply. So now if I change this to 10, it's going to multiply 21 by 10. And as you can see, it's just easier to do it this way. It's more effective. If you want the cubes to be different shapes, not shapes, different sizes, I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. So go to the instances on points. Let's add a new node, random value, put it there. Take this node from the value and put it into the scale. And as you can see, the different sizes. You can now just like change the minimum and the maximum scales to make it look better. There you go. Everyone is a different size. It looks cool. And you can also add this random value to the rotation. So let's do that real quick. So let's search for another one. Let's just get this. Okay. But it shouldn't be on float. It should be on vector. Plug it into the rotation like that. Now, as you can see, everything is rotated randomly. Now if you change this to Tua, which is Tau, it's double pi. Do it for every single one of them, and then it's just going to be a more accurate random rotation, if that makes sense. So there you go. I hope I explained this well and it's not confusing. If you guys are confused, I will link a Blender Guru video that explains this really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be uploading more Blender content in the future. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.